When I designed the program, of course, I wanted to teach in it, and the thing that I wanted to teach was methods and materials, and I decided to teach it in the first semester of the first year. Through teaching in the first semester and then in the second year, I get to really see how they grow up clinically, and that really excites me. I see the growth and development. And by the end, the last couple of weeks, I'm just saying, yes, exactly. You're really a clinician, and it's very exciting as a teacher to see that.
The most important aspect of the program is the internship placement for me. And I really loved that SVA had the 2-year internship placement, and so many people are just trusting you to follow your intuition and trust what you're learning in class is going to apply. That you become a professional so quickly because you're forced to.
The program really allows growth, and I think that's one of the biggest things. They're not telling you what to do or how to do it. They're giving you the tools to change and be who you want to be in this space. And I think that is really, really important, especially as an art therapist. And yeah.
I think that as we continue to become a very cognizant global community, I think one of the things that SVA in its department does is that it fosters an environment of curiosity. That, what is it that I don't know? How can I learn? How can the creative process help facilitate that?